This is a tutorial from BattleBite on how to create new ammo types for its ballistic simulator, Expert Rifleman. Expert Rifleman has 3 ammunition types which are pre-created: .338 Lupua, 7.62 NATO, and a 50 BMG. Expert Rifleman also lets you create up to 500 additional ammunition types. This video will show you how to make a new ammo type and what settings are available. First, click on an empty slot on the ammo selection menu to make a new ammo type. The ammo property menu will allow the user to specify ballistic properties. On top is the selection bar for the drag curve slope factor. We will discuss this in one moment, but first let us review Expert Rifleman's 2 different methods of calculating the drag curve. The first is to enter muzzle or initial velocity, then enter a velocity value downrange, which in Expert Rifleman is called velocity far. These velocities might be found on searches of ballistic databases or by using a downrange chronograph. The distance between the 2 velocity measurements is called range at far velocity. All distances in Expert Rifleman are in yards. The other method is to use a pre-calculated ballistic coefficient. Expert Rifleman has a checkbox at the top of the first column which will let you use a pre-calculated ballistic coefficient. After checking this box, you will need to enter a G1 ballistic coefficient and the muzzle velocity. The selection bar for drag curve slope factor allows adjustments to the rate of deceleration based on an estimation of the bullet shape. Lower values correspond to flat or blunt nose bullets, while higher values correspond to low drag bullets. Generally, the slope factor has minimal effect on ranges of less than 500 yards. This factor can be tweaked as needed. The center column of entry fields are related to the physical dimensions of the bullet: projectile weight in grains, projectile caliber in millimeters, and projectile length in millimeters. The final column on the right allows you, in the first field, to specify the name of the new ammo type which you are creating. It is likely you may have a number of ammo types which are the same cartridge with different bullets or barrel lengths. If that is the case, it may be a good idea to include the barrel length or bullet weight in the name. The other fields in the column include twist rate in inches and the scope height over bore in inches. The bore height is the distance between the center line of the bore and the center line of your rifle's scope. At the bottom of the column is a checkbox which should be checked if your barrel has a left-hand twist. This box will rarely be used as almost all barrels have a right-hand twist. Let's put in a new ammo type, a 6mm BR with a Norma throat with 105 grains using a 26-inch barrel. Its shape is boat tail, so we will use .62 for its drag slope curve factor. Its muzzle velocity is 2790. We will use a G1 coefficient of 0.472, a weight of 105 grains, 6.2 millimeters with a length of 32 millimeters. Its twist is 8. When completed, click on Make Ammo. This brings us to the environmental menu, where we will keep it as is, and then go to the Scope menu, where we will select a first focal plane scope. The ballistic chart within the simulator will now refer back to the newly made ammo, and the name of the ammo will be shown underneath. The new ammo type will now be available for use on all maps. You could delete an ammo type by clicking on the clear button next to its name on the list. This has been a video from BattleBite on how to create and customize new ammo for use in Expert Rifleman. Thanks for watching.